Hi everyone, how's it going? It's me Sabine here from getequinox.org. Welcome to my FunnelzPro. In this video, I'm going to be doing a review for this new cloud-based app called FunnelzPro, where you are going to be getting two software inside this cloud-based app. First is going to be a website builder and second is going to be an email autoresponder. As an online marketer myself, I understand the normally importance of a funnel builder, website builder and email autoresponder. If you want to sell affiliate offer, if you want to automate your work, if you want to do a lead generation, promote something, you need to normally have an autoresponder and a funnel builders. So I personally use a ClickFunnels myself. As you can see the dashboard of a ClickFunnels and GetResponder. And to be honest, for the beginner who are just getting started with online marketing, ClickFunnels and GetResponder both can be pretty expensive because the basic plan of a GetResponder is going to be costing you a $15 and basic plan of the ClickFunnels going to be costing you $100 every single month. So if you normally combine both of them, you have to pay to closely around the $120 every single month. But the best part about the FunnelzPro is you can normally get these for website builder and email autoresponder, both of them on pretty low one-time price. So in this review, I'm going to be giving you detailed information about a FunnelzPro. What is this all about? I'm going to be showing you how many what are the things that they have got inside their website and funnel builder, what are the things that they have got on their email autoresponder. I personally have access to the software itself, so I'm going to be breaking down in depth. So on the meantime, at any point during this review, if you decided that you want a copy of a FunnelzPro, make sure you are going to be clicking a link down below this video and visit my website where I have provided a detailed information like what is FunnelzPro, what are the feature of FunnelzPro, what are the feature of FunnelzPro mailer, the overview of the review here, how does you can normally use a FunnelzPro, and after that what is the pricing and funnel of the FunnelzPro, basically how much this will cost you, what are the upsell they have got. And if you scroll it below, I also has got a 7 exclusive bonuses for you that you can get completely free of cost. You just have to normally click on any of this blue button or blue text to get your copy, and you can access these 7 highly exclusive bonuses that are only available if you pick up from this particular review, which is going to be helping you to get more success, which will provide you an addiction hit to your FunnelzPro. So now I'm going to be talking about the bonuses I have got, pricing and funnel of the product later on the review. So let's begin the review of FunnelzPro. So first thing, we are going to be taking a look into the sales page of the product. As you can see, they have clearly mentioned 2-in-1 cloud-based app, which is going to allow you to create a hyper profitable website and the landing page, and you can send the unlimited email without any monthly fee like I used to pay for a ClickFunnels and a GetResponder. If you normally scroll it below, these are a feature of the normally product which you can normally check out manually once you get redirect from my review blog. You can click this orange button, get your copy. You can see the amount of money they have generated on JBiju Warrior Plus. You can see the step how to use the software, and they also has got an automated traffic app which will allow you to share your website and funnel on the social media. I will give you one quick warning and a disclaimer that this traffic that they are claiming which will drive your buyer traffic is not so strong. That is the reason I have included some traffic related bonuses which will help you to understand how does online marketing work and how you can drive a traffic. And the third is sending an unlimited email, which is absolutely true. The product creator Rick here is bringing you the software. Once you normally go through the whole sales page, you can get all other deep information about the product. So I'm not going to be wasting your time too much taking a look into the sales page. Let's quickly normally jump into a software itself. Okay, so first thing, this is the dashboard you are getting access. If you click on this, you can go to a website builder. If you click on this, you can go to an email autoresponder, and all the bonuses which has been mentioned on the sales page of the product, not my bonuses, the bonuses which has been mentioned on the sales page of the product. By clicking this button, you can access those bonuses. By clicking on this, you can normally check out upsell of the product if you have not picked up any upsell, and if you feel like that you need addiction upgrade later on, you can normally go on this place and check out those upsell as well. The setting of your account if you want on a support for the product, and log out. So now let's begin with a website builder. So once you come to a website builder, there are a 40 plus template which can be chosen from. These are a template on various different niches. As you can see, restaurant, okay, this is for I'm not so sure what does it for, but as you can see here, a seam arm shaper, I think this is for a fitness, this is for a gym, baby, baby products. If we normally scroll it below, for body products, there is sports watch products. So they have got a normal, basically they have got a template on various niches. So as an example, I'm gonna be choosing, let's just go with the unlimited social media. So now I'm just gonna be selecting this template. As soon as I normally select the template, I have to normally enter the basic detail. So I'm gonna be entering my name, and I'm gonna be entering okay, let me type it correctly. I'm using more to my PC screen, so that is the reason it is difficult for me to type. So I also need an URL, so I'm gonna be typing Sabine55033. You can put you can normally add whichever domain path you want. As you can see, they are gonna be creating a subdomain for you. They do have got a feature to add a custom domain name if you want. So now, as you can see, I have entered my site details. So now I need a username. So I'm going to be typing this as my username. I'm going to be choosing this as an example. I'm going to be okay, this will be my password. Okay, now I'm going to be creating my account. So my confirm password should be at least 6 letters. So I'm going to be entering few more character over here and click on create account. Okay, so password doesn't match. So I guess now we are normally fine. So now my normally account on their funnel builder will be set up instantly, and I can normally do 100% customization of this website. You are gonna be getting a basic WordPress user interface. Okay, so you are not getting a basic WordPress user interface. This is totally different. But if we normally take a look to it, they have got a various thing. Like first is a welcome video, which is really important for the beginner who are just getting the software to understand how you can customize it. And now you have got a other important thing, like you can normally click on my website. By clicking on my website, you can normally go to your website, or you can visit a website. You can publish an article on your website, manage the comment on your website. If you go if you normally click on inside, you can check out the traffic and all those things. On the media option, all the image, video file you are going to be uploading will be available. All the separate pages you have created, comment, cart flow. So if you are selling something as an e-commerce website, all things can be normally available on a cart flow. WooCommerce, if you are creating in a WooCommerce website, a product, if you have listed a product on your website, analytic to see our traffic and all those things. Marketing, if we normally click on a marketing, you can create a coupon, you can normally share your website on social media. Appearances, so if you want to customize the theme of your website, menu, widget and backgrounds, that can be customized using appearance menu. A builder, which is going to allow you to normally build a template, column, categories. Plugin, so if you need any addition plugin on your website like WP Rocket, Yoast SEO, these are two of the popular plugin that I use myself, and this plugin gonna be helping you to optimize your website more properly. Then they have got a setting where you can normally set up do a general setting of your website, writing setting, reading setting, if you want to customize anything, and SEO, which is really important. Okay, so this kind of website receive a lot of organic traffic, and if you normally optimize the SEO properly, you just have to enter a main keyword of your website, a title of the website, what will be the search appearance of the website, and you have to connect a social media account. That's all. Once you normally finish doing it, you don't have to do anything at all, and SEO will be automatically done by your software itself. So if you normally scroll it below, inside, which is gonna give you a detailed report of a traffic flowing on your website and every single thing. You can normally check up a performance, which is also similar to inside. Hustle Pro, I'm not so sure what that is, but I'm pretty much sure it is gonna allow you to integrate their email autoresponder and social media account, the traffic that they are mentioning on the sales page. I don't think their this social sharing is super strong, but they have got other cool like integration. You can integrate autoresponder, you can create an email list, pop-up. So people prefer entering their email address into a pop-up. So if you want to use a pop-up to collect the email lead and all, that can be useful. You can go to account option to do a change on your basic website login detail and all those things. And there should be an option to normally enter a custom domain name as well. As you can see, if you do not feel like using their subdomain name, you can enter your own custom domain name. I am going to be recommending you to enter a custom domain name. They are providing a web hosting, which is really great, because web hosting is also really costly thing. Okay, so now this is what my website look like, really optimized, but I do have to do a changes, like I have to normally include one URL where people can order my services. I have to create a few pages where I'm going to be selling other offer. I have to write a post and all those things. So these are the things that will totally depend on your uses. So now we have finished with their website builder. So now let's go to their mailer. So this is their mailer where we can create a first email campaign. Before that, we have to normally create a first email list, means a list of the people in which I want to add those email subscribers. So first I'm going to be giving this list a name. So I want to call it a buyer lead, means these are people who are going to be buying a product from me. Display, I'm going to be clicking on Sabine lead. Now you have to give a description. So people who buy product from me. So I'm just going to be giving this as a description. Do not enable a double opt-in. I'm going to be recommending you to go with a single opt-in. Double opt-in means when they enter their email address, they have to confirm the email address by clicking on one email they will receive on the mailbox, like a confirmation. And lot of people hate doing this, so I don't feel like we should normally use this one. You can also skip out. I'm going to be going with a single opt-in. If you want to send a welcome email to this email subscriber, enable it. If you want to include a website which you are using to normally collect the email lead, you can enter them. So I'm going to be clicking on no. After that, subscriber notification. If you want to normally receive a subscriber and unsubscribe notification, click on enable. Enter an email address where you want to normally receive those notifications. Once you normally do that, there are other few details which will automatically filled up, because these are a detail that you have normally got while creating account. Then just have to click on save account. So now the form has been successfully created. So another thing is going to be an email template here. So first we have to choose a perfect email template that will be proven to normally bring you a lot of clicks. So I'm going to be giving this a test 222. So let's just click on save changes. Once I normally click on save changes, this is the template that I have created. If I want to normally update, I can just click on it and click on update. So now I have to normally go to a template. Now I have set up a category. I just have to normally upload a template myself if I have got one, or I can create one myself. So I'm going to be creating one from myself. I'm going to be giving this name a Sabine. I'm going to be choosing that test category. Here you have to include a detail on your template. For example, cheers. This is the normally footer of my email. Usually I use this as a footer of my email. So I'm going to be entering this on my template. Then I'm going to be pressing enter. That's all what I need on my template. Other thing can be filled up while you are creating a campaign. So now another thing is going to be a delivery server. You have to go on a delivery server and create a new server. Here you have to normally choose which server you want to use, like a Mailgun, a Mailjet, SendGrid, SMTP, Maildrill, whichever server you want to choose. As an example, let's just go with that. And once you normally come in, just fill up the necessary information. Once you normally do that, click on save changes. That's all. Now it's time for a campaign. So these campaigns are known as the email that you are going to be sending to email list. For that, click on create a new one. Enter a campaign name, means what will be the campaign name. So as an example, I'm going to be clicking on test as a campaign name. What type of an email is this? Autoresponder means it is going to be going to every people who will join your email list, or it is going to be a one-time email that you are going to be sending to an existing email subscriber. I'm just going to be going with a regular. You can even choose a group if you have created. I have not created a segment yet. And now as you can see, this is the list that I have created. So you have to choose to which list you want to send the email. As an example, I'm going to be selecting this and click on save changes. Once I normally save changes, this is a place where you are going to be entering the subject line. So if you do not know what is subject line, means the main heading of the email which people will see on their inbox. So I'm going to be going to get a easy profit site at a discounted price. Then if you want to track a click, means which email subscriber are clicking on a link on the email, which email subscriber are clicking on the affiliate link and all those things, click on yes. URL tracking, all those things. Now you have to normally enter a plain header or skip it. As usual, I do not prefer using a plain header. So now this is a place where you are going to be including an entire email. For example, hey, there is a brand new software called FunnelzPro Funnelzpro, allow you to create a website and use as email automation with low one-time price. Okay, so now I'm just going to be doing this thing here. So as I'm just writing a basic email, you have to normally do a lot other thing in email. Then I'm going to be giving something like click here to okay, I'm just going to be writing every single thing on uppercase. Click here to check my review. So I have just entered click here to check my review. Then I'm going to be including a URL on this email. So now I have to find the URL option. Okay, here we go. In this place, I can normally include a URL. I can even normally set a targeting on the URL. I can include I can normally go on an advanced option and do an advanced tracking, but that is for advanced marketer. You can just skip that. Okay, let me normally copy the URL of this. Let me refresh the page so I can grab a URL, include the URL. So now whenever someone check out this email and click on this, they are gonna be getting that email. Cheers. Okay, so now I have normally entered the footer also for my email. You can add whatever you want. And now I'm going to be clicking on. So there are a few things which is still missing. Okay, template name. So Sabine first campaign. Once I normally fill up that, it should allow me to normally go it. So we have to normally include these tag as well on our email. For example, unsubscribe and normally company full address. This is for the privacy of the email subscriber. So if we want them to normally unsubscribe or if they do not want to receive the email from us on the future, they can normally click on unsubscribe and all. Okay, so you have to make sure that you are going to be including those tags on the email before sending it, because it is not going to be allowing you to send the email until and unless you do not put those tags. So now my email campaign is ready. I just have to normally click on send and this email campaign will be delivered. So once this email campaign will be delivered, I can normally click on this particular campaign and I can track down every single thing, how many click I have got, how many how many people have opened my email, and every single other necessary detail. But right now, as you know, there are a 0 email subscriber on my autoresponder of FunnelzPro, so I cannot normally show you that data. So this is how you are going to be using their website builder and their email autoresponder. So before we normally close the review, you also need to find out the pricing of the product, right? How much you are potentially gonna be paying it. But before we normally move to a pricing of the product, let's have a look to awesome bonuses that you can get if you decided to get a copy from this review. So first bonus is gonna be a sales page writing software for your FunnelzPro website builder. So if you want to sell some product and you are really bad at creating a sales page or writing a sales copy, this bonus can help you. Another is 100 established logo, means if you need a logo for your website, or if you want to sell this logo on a website like Fiverr and Upwork, charge other people money and earn money, this bonus can come handy. Another will be a lead magnet. For building an email list, you need to offer something for a free, so they can normally enter their email address in exchange of that goodie you are offering. So you can get 100+ lead magnet that you can use. Another is VIP sleek next generation landing page. This bonus content of 365 landing page template that you can use. Bonus number 5 is going to be a SMS gateway. This is going to allow you to turn your simple mobile phone into an SMS sending machine where you can send a unlimited SMS to an unlimited number for promoting anything you desire. 6 bonus is going to be a Diba Premium CRM. It is going to allow you to normally convert any email subscriber, any landing page, any visitor into a paying customer. Means people prefer visiting a website, reading an article, but they do not prefer entering their email address or buying a product. It is going to allow you to normally convert them into a potential buyer who will buy the product from you on the future, or they will buy the product instantly from your website that you are offering as affiliate. Bonus number 7 is social post scheduler. Social media is great source for driving a traffic, and this tool is going to allow you to post your website content or promote your website to 1000 social media that you have not even seen. You are going to be sharing on a social media that you have never visited. Every single thing automatically using the software allow you to drive highly targeted traffic completely free, completely on autopilot. So these are the exclusive bonuses that I have got for you. If you click on this button, or if you normally click on this particular button, visit the sales page of FunnelzPro and grab your copy. You can have all of these bonuses for free. There is a 3 simple step for claiming this bonus. You have to normally buy a FunnelzPro clicking any of this particular link. Then you have to normally after the transaction is complete, you are going to be seeing something called SS affiliate bonus on your buying receipt. Click on that, register yourself entering name and email address, and access all of these bonuses completely free. So now let's have a look to a pricing and funnel of the product. So basic version will only cost you $17, which is really affordable low one-time price, where they are offering 40 website, lifetime autoresponder, commercial license, high converting ad creator, pro designer ad banner, product ad video, and one-click upsell. Upgrade number 1 that I'm going to be recommending you to buy, this will cost you $39 extra, but it will offer you every single thing unlimited. Means you can normally have everything that you have got on the basic version. You can create unlimited website. If you buy the basic version, you can just create a one website. So if you want to create a website on various needs, for example, if you want a website on make money online needs, if you want a separate website on self-help needs, health and fitness needs, you need to have an ability to create a website, right? So it will give you a power to create unlimited website. You can host up to an unlimited subscriber on email autoresponder. You can use a pop-up feature for a lead generation. Means you can collect an email lead using a pop-up landing page template. Easy drag and drop builder, which will allow you to easily customize any landing page template. All pages will be pre-hosted on their server. You don't require a domain name or a web hosting. Done for you product research tool. Done for you high converting sales copywriting software. Done for you thank you page designer. Done for you competitor spy, so you can check out your competitor what they are doing that is making them money. And done for you trust supplier link, which will allow you to make more profit from your affiliate link. Upgrade number 2 is advanced, which will cost you $47 extra. This will offer you everything in a basic version. Upgrade 1, you can integrate custom domain name. Now you can normally embed a Facebook pixel to retarget a visitor. You can normally integrate a live chat on the every single page. SEO optimized funnel, exclusive Facebook ad training. Upgrade 3 will be done for you. So if you're one of those people who do not want to work a lot and want to normally make a lot of profit, or want to normally get easy money, you can pick up this done for you upgrade. It will cost you $97 one-time payment, where the product creator team will help you to set up an entire system. Their self-users have to normally include few details and you are good to go. Agency right, which is only for the people who want to sell this product and keep 100% profit. Means if you want to sell a FunnelzPro as your own product to a client and charge them as much money you want the agency right, you can get this on $127. Upgrade number 5 is VIP Club. If you want a 4 software with a weekly training and brand new software which is similar to a FunnelzPro, you can get this on $39. Upgrade number 6 is the final upgrade of the product, which is the resale right of the product. Means if you want to promote this as an affiliate marketer and want 100% commission while promoting the product, you can get this on $37. So now what will be my recommendation for you to pick up? Basic version, definitely I'm going to be recommending you. Upgrade number 1, and I'm gonna be recommending you to pick up upgrade number 2. These are the 3 upgrades that I want you to pick up because these are more than enough for any beginner who want to make some easy money through online marketing. If you are a lazy, you can go and try out Done For You. If you want agency, right, you can normally try out. If you want a weekly training and weekly software similar to a FunnelzPro, you can try out. If you want to promote it, keep 100% commission, you can try out upgrade 6. But my main recommendation will be front end upgrade 1 and upgrade 2 for the beginner out there. So I hope you have really enjoyed my FunnelzPro review. If so, give it a thumbs up. Want to get your copy, visit my bonus page and get access to those exclusive bonuses that I hope you have really find a value on this review. So give it a thumbs up. If you have got anything to ask, let me know in the comment below. I'm going to be replying as soon as I can. And if you're one of those people who love seeing product reviews on new digital product, want to learn about affiliate marketing, online marketing, ranking a website, SEO, entrepreneurship, online business, SaaS software building and all those things, you can normally subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon. So if on the future I come up with a new video that that is important for you, you are not going to be missing out. So Sabine signing out with a review of FunnelzPro. I hope you have really enjoyed and find some value over here. I'm going to be check you out on the next one. Until that, take care and bye bye.